Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get promo codes in SpotHero. If you're using to get great parking spot on discount using promo codes in 2025, this video is for you. Without taking much of our time, let's get right in. So the website we'll be going to is couponfollow.com/site/SpotHero.com. So just go to your browser and type, this is a directory I've highlighted in blue. You type that directory and you open. This web page is going to open. As you can see, SpotHero promo codes and coupons. We have a whole list of promo codes and coupons whereby you can enjoy discounts. To get the promo code, you just simply have to click show promo code. So when I click show promo code, as you can see, the promo code automatically shows, and also the app is automatically redirecting me to SpotHero.com, but I don't want to go there, so I'm going to close this for now. So we can see we have the promo code. You can just click to copy the particular promo code, and when you copy it, as I said, the app will want to redirect us to the SpotHero website whereby we can use the promo code. So that's how easy it is to get promo codes or coupons with SpotHero. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.